online education in India. All the misconceptions about online education must be kept aside and knowledge should flourish in every Indian households. Since the start of coronavirus epidemic, one thing that has changed is the way we all study. Educational sources are made available online so that there is no stoppage in the flow of knowledge. Penetration of online education available in India is highly varied and this can be changed by a number of ways. Indian education system is based on the concept of memorizing everything and then just producing a copy of it in the exam. After this, the child forgets what was taught. It is scientifically proven that if a child is taught with sound effects and audiovisual content, the child will remember it for much longer time. Let's not study, let's educate ourselves. There are various benefits of learning from e-sources. There is a wide variety of data available online. No matter what students study, from nursing to neuroscience, they can find the course or program they need online. Students can also earn every degree and academic degree online, from a career certificate to a doctorate. This also promotes social distancing, which is the need of the hour. Comfortable learning environment. You can study at the ease of your home, your own comfortable surroundings. There are no physical class lectures and hence no show off of uniform and any extra baggages. Students can just be how they are and attend lectures, pursue other courses. In India, education has always been treated as a huge deal. Students study for 10 hours daily to meet the society's expectations and to prove themselves. Along with flexible course structures, classes, they can pursue their passion and not dwell into the misery of books. More interaction and greater ability to concentrate, while contradictory evidence about the rate of online student participation versus participation in traditional courses exist. One thing remains certain: online courses offer shy or more reticent students the opportunity to participate in class discussions more easily than face-to-face class session. This segment is expected to leap from $247 million to approximate $1.96 billion. That is compound annual growth rate of 52%. The number of users enrolled for various online learning courses is estimated to grow 1.6 million to 9.6 million by 2021. Indians are the second largest consumers of MQQCCs and massive open online courses like Coursera, government initiatives like Swayam, eBasta, ePathshala, Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan, etc. are furthering the spread of online education. Before the coronavirus pandemic, the global education technology sector, which includes online learning, was growing about 15.4% a year, with big name companies such as Google and Microsoft investing heavily in industry, according to Kenneth Research. The United States is the largest market with rapid growth, also in India, China and South Korea, according to the report by ICEF Monitor, a market research firm focusing on international education. It is predicted that this growth rate will increase a lot for this year. Byju's was founded in 2011 and is now reportedly worth $8 billion. When its learning app launched in 2015, only around a quarter of India's population had access to internet, according to the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. Today, more than half does. That means education apps are no longer restricted to major urban centers or the wealthier members of society. Byju says that more than 60% of its students are from outside the 10 largest cities in India. The app is currently only available in Hindi and English, but Ravindra says Byju is in the process of adding more regional languages. Regional languages integration is highly demanded for online education to flourish in India. That's all for today. Now this is Palak Gupta signing off, and we'll be back with some more news in the next video. Till then, stay connected, stay safe. Thank you.